Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass AP Calculus. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and content. Understanding what to expect is your initial step towards success. We'll cover key areas like mastering core concepts, effective practice methods, and crucial test day strategies. This guide will help you build a solid foundation and approach the exam with confidence, ensuring you are well prepared for every question. To truly excel, you must master the core concepts. Dedicate time to thoroughly understand limits, derivatives, and integrals. Grasping the fundamental theorem of calculus is also essential. Work through various application problems to solidify your understanding. If you are taking AP Calculus BC, ensure you cover the additional topics beyond the AB curriculum, like sequences and series, for a comprehensive review. Consistent practice is key to success. Utilize official College Board practice problems to get a feel for the actual exam. Simulate test conditions by completing full-length practice exams under timed constraints. After each practice session, carefully analyze your mistakes to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Don't hesitate to use online resources, review videos, and your textbook for additional support and different explanations. On exam day, strategic execution is vital. Manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each section. Remember to show all your work, as partial credit can significantly boost your score. Practice using your graphing calculator efficiently for both multiple choice and free response questions. Most importantly, stay calm and confident, trust in your preparation, and approach each problem with a clear mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.